How to convert SQL query result to PANDAS data structure. Any help on this problem will be greatly appreciated. So basically I want to run a query to my SQL database and store the return data as PANDAS data structure. I have attached code for query. I am reading the documentation on PANDAS, but I have problem to identify the return type of my query. I tried to print the query result, but it doesn't give any useful information. Thanks. So I sort of want to understand what's the format/data type of my variable res overall and how to put it with PANDAS data structure.
Edit September 30th, 2014. Pandas now has a read_SQL function. You definitely want to use that instead. Original answer. I can't help you with SQL Alchemy. I always use pyadk, mysql or scop2 as needed. But when doing so, a function as simple as the one below tends to suit my needs.
Here's the shortest code that will do the job. You can go fancier and parse the types as in Paul's answer.
Edit Mar 2015. As noted below, Pandas now uses SQL Alchemy to both read from read_SQL and insert into to_SQL, a database. The following should work. Previous answer. Via Mykib Masi from a similar question.
If you are using SQL Alchemy's ORM rather than the expression language, you might find yourself wanting to convert an object of type SQL Alchemy.orm.query to a Pandas data frame. The cleanest approach is to get the generated SQL from the query statement attribute, and then execute it with Pandas' read_SQL method. E.g., starting with a query object called query.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.